Welcome to Canary Wharf, everyone. It's been a while since I've done a little mooch around here, so I thought I'd spend the morning in the sun, just having a wander and seeing what I can see. The first scene is right here. I think I did this last time I was here for a video. The ceiling is reflective, and where the light's hitting on this patch here, you can highlight your subjects by photographing the ceiling. It's also quite geometric because you've got the roof doing zigzags and stuff like that. So it's quite a nice little opening little scene for us to shoot. There's also all of this bumpy texture on the glass here, which could be something. It's all about seeing what we can see and exploring different angles, I think. Yeah. It's cool. It's good to be back here. I don't come here very often. If I do, it's just from going from place to place. I use it like a hub. I don't actually explore it very often, so it'd be nice to see what I can see here. I quite like this scene, but I need someone on their own. With any built-up area, it's quite nice when you get the reflections of the sun bouncing off of windows, which create these lovely patches of light on the floor. And if you can expose for those highlights, which they aren't as intense as if you're shooting into the sun directly, but if you expose for the highlights, you get a nice bit of light play. Now, ideally, someone in light colours would work better, but beggars cannot be choosers. But I might wait around and see who turns up. Nice little scene here, just that square of light on the pavement. And if I can wait until I see someone that walks through it, I think that'd be quite nice. They'll be highlighted and everything else is really, really dark down here under this bridge. So it should be quite good. I just need to wait for someone to stand in it. Or a bus with part of their window blocked in it. That might be cool too. There's potential, that's for sure. All right, this corridor is pretty nice because you can silhouette people really well. And there's also a walkway up the top with some nice geometry. And for me, that's what I want to focus on, the bit up the top. And if people can walk past it, there's some quite nice shape to it. You've got the lines of the roof. You've got the crisscross shapes on the wall. You've got the geometry of the actual walkway itself. Should be pretty nice as a scene itself. I just need someone on their own, which is easier said than done, because either there's no one or a group. Now this really is a place that I haven't been in ages. This bridge, remarkably famous for street photography, but since I haven't been here in a while, I might as well make the most of it and just see what I can get, and maybe something unique as well. There's a nice little pattern and reflection here, and as people leave the bridge, there's a little highlight that can capture them, but yeah, it's all about trying to get something unique, and on this spot, it's overshot a little bit. The positions I get myself in. Compromising. And on the edge of the bridge as well, you've got the holes that actually look out to where people are sitting. So if I can position the camera quite closely, I can actually frame people in the holes. And if I do it at the right time, I can get someone sitting. It's quite a unique shot. So I've seen a patch of light, and it's quite a nice patch of light. And with the leading line of the bridge that I was just photographing that leads you directly to where you want to look, and it being the only real highlight in the scene, I think it works really well. I do need a solo subject. I don't know if they need to be in light or dark clothing, but I'm hoping for the best. I don't know whether to silhouette them just outside of the patch of light, just so they are a pure silhouette, or whether to catch them in the light so they've got a bit of backlighting to them. Good question. Time will tell. Quite like this. Welcome to the South Bank, by the way. There was nothing really drawing my eye at Canary Wharf, so I decided to. We're now right behind the South Bank Centre, and this little blue container has quite a lot of shadow on one side, quite a lot of highlight on the other, and then I'm just going to position someone as they walk through the frame on the highlight section of the image to create quite a nice silhouette with the trees framing the image. And with any luck, it'll look quite nice. Okay, so far I think my luck has been okay for photography. So to really put that to the test, I've got back into them. I haven't done Pokemon since I was a kid, and then I sold all my Pokemon cards on a car boot sale for like 50 pence or something stupid like that. And now I want a good bit of money back. So I'm into the whole thing now, and I mean it suits the hot weather. Okay, South Bank finished for now. I might cross over at the Tower Bridge and have a look by the Scoop, but I'm going to head into the city by St Paul's, see if I can catch some nice afternoon light. That was a workplace injury, that was. Bloody hot. Very minimalist shot with St Paul's now. I quite like that. Someone in dark clothing, which is quite rare in this sort of heat, but we'll use the way the shadow comes down to frame someone on the actual sunny side of the frame. And we'll take a photo of that guy in the hat because I think he looks like he wants to be photographed. Because, I mean, look at him. Hey, alright. Yeah, not bad. It's bloody hot today. Bet you're roasting in there, aren't you? Oh, needed. Okay, mandatory stop off at one new change. This time I'm on the first level looking down towards St. Paul's because the afternoon sun beaming straight through. So capturing a solo subject should give us quite an interesting image. Or at least a very geometric one anyway. We want them in dark clothing. That lift don't sound healthy. As long as they don't close my stairs again, they can close the lifts all they like. So there's me photographing. I've been burnt today. I've made a mess of myself because someone don't want to clean the handrails. And so, yeah, that's fun, isn't it? Lucky there's a toilet in one new change. Another reason why this is one of the best places to photograph, the amenities. Deducted a point for this though. I do like this sun. I am going to call it now though, I think. It's been out for not as long as I usually am, but it's like 33 degrees today and hot, so I'm going to call it. It's good. For a May bank holiday, it's good to show you what's to come. I hope. You can never predict the English weather. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Bye-bye.